Hello everyone, how are you? This is Kay. So today is the 24th of December and this is on Sunday. So Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you're enjoying your holiday today. So yeah, today, this is Sunday, so as Sunday's weekly topic, I will be sharing my analysis on Forex pairs and gold, WTI, and indices, and BTC USD, and for the news for this week. So yeah, let's review the markets first. But before that, let me switch screen and say hi to everyone. So let me see. Okay, oh, Panos, thank you for becoming Ichimoku community member. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy Ichimoku journey. So thank you very much and stay gold. Okay, and also, hello Costa, thank you for joining. He says, hi Gay, good to see you, and I would like to thank you for all your insights and knowledge that you've given us all over the year, and wishing you Merry Christmas. Thank you very much for your comment. Thank you very much. Okay, yes. And yeah, it's been like 4 years since I started my YouTube, and time really flies. So yeah, I will continue to share knowledge of Ichimoku. Well, actually, next year, in the year of 2024, the topic will be about Ichimoku strategies, pure Ichimoku original strategies, and I will continue to share Ichimoku knowledge and also some of the interview videos or also famous traders of Japanese traders will be still continuously covered next year, and I have much more ideas to share with you through YouTube. So I wish you continue to enjoy what I share in 2024. But yeah, thanks for the message and Merry Christmas to you too. Alright, Edward, thanks for joining, good to see you. And Rich, good to see you. And Rain, thanks for joining as well, good to see you. And Coffee, good to see you, Merry Christmas. And Kevin also, thanks for joining, and Merry Christmas to you too. Thank you very much. And Con, good to see you. And Panos, oh, thank you again for your message and newly joined my Ichimoku community. Alright, thank you very much. Oh, thank you very much for the comment too. Yes, I continue to share my knowledge, so I wish you continue to enjoy learning through what I share here. Okay, and Alpar, good to see you. And Sebastian, good to see you from France. Thank you for joining as well. And Marble, also good to see you. Merry Christmas to you too. Thank you very much. Maybe open a hibiki while live streaming today. Yeah, when I do live stream here, no alcohol. But maybe on my second YouTube, yes. Yeah, we can celebrate, Christmas by a nice glass of hibiki. That would be great. Okay. And Allah, good to see you. Thanks for joining. All right, good to see you too. He says, is long trades better or short one, or it depends? Kind advice. Well, I take both long and short. Whenever the trend is going, I don't mind taking long or shorts. All right, Vinod, good to see you. Thanks for joining. All right, and Sebastian again, good to see you too. All right, you're welcome. And Photo, Merry Christmas to you too. And everyone, thank you very much for joining today. Okay, so now let me switch screen to TradingView and start analysis on Forex pairs on my watch list. So again, I have Forex pairs here on my watch list. I have 21 pairs. So let me cover these ones first. And since this is weekend, I will cover the weekly time frame. Okay. Oh, I continue to see some more comments now. All right. Christian, thanks for joining from Chile. Good to see you. And Ko, Merry Christmas too. Hibiki on the way. Yeah, yes, why not? Why not? Yes, and Aung, good to see you too, and Merry Christmas to you too. Okay, so first, Euro USD, this is a weekly time frame. And what's remarkable about this market is that it's about to break the resistance, 1.10 17. So I'm looking for the long buy. And the target is going to be on up here, 1.1276. So the only chance I will be trading will be a buy on Euro USD. If the market goes opposite direction down, then I'm not gonna trade because I think that would be very choppy. The market will be close to that Senko span A, and also Tenkan-sen is still up, but Chikou span is almost touching, so that means this is range. So if the market reverses, I think the market becomes too choppy, so I'm not gonna trade. But if it breaks bullish, I think this can be one of the best pairs. So Euro USD will be a buy when it breaks that resistance level. This is towards the year end, but I don't mind taking trades. The markets may be quiet, but I've seen, the previous 10 years of my full-time experience, I've seen some of the markets have been aggressive, towards the year end. So I don't mind taking any trades next week also. So Euro USD will be bullish if the market breaks that resistance. And next is the Euro JPY. This pair is now range. The price is between Kijun Sen and Kumo, Chikou span touching, so most likely no trades. I think the market becomes very choppy. And Euro CAD is also range the whole time, ever since the months of May this year, this year, 2023 still. This year, the market has been up and down, very choppy, so no trades. Euro AUD is now bearish. It broke the Kijun Sen on the weekly, and now it's touching the Senko span A. And seems like the Chikou span breakout happened last week, so I think the market goes into Kumo now. So Euro AUD will be tradable to sell this week. So that's one thing that we can continue to share. And also there was a reversed N wave already on the weekly, so I think sell will be the right call. Okay, and then next is Euro Pound. Euro Pound has been range. It has been, basically flat, the price below Kumo, and actually closed above the Tenkan Sen. Chikou span still very close to candles, and as you can also see in terms of the candlesticks, it's very choppy range. So no trend, no trace. And next is the Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc can be tradable, and like I mentioned last week also, this is in the descending P wave, and the market is now close to the support level of 0.9414. So when it breaks the support, that will be a great chance to sell. And the target is going to be 0.93, the round number, because there is no previous support. This is all-time low. So in that case, the targets are going to be the next round numbers, psychological numbers. So looking forward to break out the support level and sell. Now, I think it's about to sell, it's about to be broken, the support level, because Kumo has been very thick. So ever since the Kumo twisted, it has been getting thicker and bigger. So that means this is, sellers are dominant over in the long term, and it's about to break the support level as well. So let's see if that happens or not. And next is Pound USD. Pound USD has been very choppy and range, and now this Chikou span is still touching, so technically it's range. But this is called Chikou span trace strategy, and Chikou span has been following the candlesticks. So from Chikou span viewpoint, next week and 2 weeks after will be bullish. So I think the market goes bullish this way for the next 2 weeks. In that case, I look for a buying opportunity. In the short term though, So Pound USD could be bullish this week and next week. Okay, next is the Pound JPY. Pound JPY has been range because the price is between Kumo Kijun Sen, Chikou span touching. However, like I mentioned a couple of weeks ago, it has been supported by the ascending trend line. So far to me, in terms of the price action, it's bullish still. This bullish N waves may be continuous and the market may go bullish this way. However, I'm not gonna look for buying opportunity unless the price breaks Kijun-sen and Chikou span comes above the candles. Otherwise, I think the market continue range, or it may even break the trend line and goes down to Kumo. So I draw lines and I look at the support resistances, but the priority is always on Ichimoku as an Ichimoku trader myself. So yeah, I'm waiting for the price to be above the Kijun-sen and Chikou span above the candles to be able to look for buying opportunities. So that's pound JPY. And then next is pound CAD. Pound CAD has been downtrend in the short term, but the thing is now that it touched the Kijun-sen. So this is called the Kijun-sen retracement strategy, where Kijun-sen is flat. The market tends to be attracted to Kijun-sen. So previously, for the previous months, since November, the market went up to close to the resistance level of 1.7328, and then it has retraced down Kijun-sen. And if you closely look at the market, it technically closed below the Kijun-sen, so my projection is bearish. The market perhaps goes down, goes into Kumo, and gets closer to the previous support level, which is 1.6357, and then comes up, and then comes up to the Kijun-sen, because Kijun-sen remains flat, is my expectation. So this pattern, Kijun-sen retracement strategy, Kijun-sen retracement pattern continues until it breaks either direction, until the market breaks either the resistance bullish or support level bearish. So for now, in the short term, I think it's bearish. So that's pound CAD. And then next, pound AUD. Pound AUD is now bearish. It broke the P wave bearish. So now it's downtrend, and also it's broke the support level. And now it's coming down closer to the next support level of 1.8506. And to that support level, we have a room of 150 pips to trade. So that's enough room to trade, right? So yeah, pound AUD also could be one of the best pair to trade, to sell. And even if it goes bullish, we never buy, because that will be against the major direction. So for now, look for the selling opportunity and follow downtrend to 1.85. So that's pound AUD. And then pound Swiss franc. Pound Swiss franc has been range. Last week happened to be bearish, but it doesn't mean that it continues bearish. The real downtrend will start when the market breaks 1.0782. So I'm still waiting for that breakout. Then I think the market goes down all the way to 1.0151, and it's going to be more than 600 pips of room to trade. So yeah, the breakout may not happen this week. 1.0782 breakout may happen sometime next year, but we will see. Okay, now let me move on to USD pairs. So first, USD-JPY. USD-JPY is now in between Kumo Kijun-sen, Chikou span touching, so this is whole time range. So no trend, no trace. And next is USD-CAD. This market is now bearish. It actually broke the Kumo last week, and now it's continuously bearish. So I think the market continuously goes down to 1.309. That will be the target for now, and the pips there will be 160. So we have enough room to trade. So USDCAD is now bearish to me. So even if it goes bullish, I will never trade. And Chikou span has been nicely following the candlesticks too. So I think for the next 2 weeks or so, the market continues bearish this way. So next one is USD Swiss franc. This market is also about to break the support, and I think it will. I think it will break the support level of 0.8553 because the Kumo is down. Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen both bearish, and Chikou span below the candles. So yeah, USD Swiss franc can also be one of the best pairs to trade. So once it breaks, then this pair is also having a previous support level quite far, which is down here on 0.8303, and we have a room of 247 pips to trade. So yeah, USD Swiss franc also could be one of the best pairs to trade. Okay, so we have lots of potential breakouts towards the year end, so we will see which one breaks and create some new trends. Okay, next is AUD-USD. This pair is now range. It's bullish, it broke the Kumo, but the Kumo breakout itself happened, but this Kumo breakout can be fake because there is no Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, Gold Cross yet, and there is no Chikou span breakout yet. So this Kumo breakout just happened, but this is not trustable, so that means this week may be bearish. So it's better to wait for the breakout of the swing high of 0.6903 for now, and then the bullish trend may happen more stably. So that's AUD-USD. And AUD-JPY was bullish last week, but this is whole time range. Now Senko span B flat, Senko span A is also flat, and also Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen both flat right now, and Chikou span touching, so no trend, no trace. We better wait until the market breaks the resistance level of 98.54. Then I think we will see a beautiful uptrend after this. So next is AUD-CAD. This pair has been also very choppy. So yeah, for the last couple of weeks, I have been monitoring this pair too, but this may not be tradable. Now we have Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, Gold Cross, and Chikou span breakout about to happen. So if that's the case, the Kumo breakout can be significant. Once it breaks the Kumo, then the market may continue bullish. So the Kumo resistance level and also the resistance of the price is very close. So it's better to wait for the breakout of 0.9103, and then I think the market goes bullish this way. So AUD-CAD could potentially be bullish after the resistance and Kumo breakout. Okay, next is AUD-Swiss franc. This market has been range so far. The price is now on the Kijun Sen, and Kumo is bearish. Kumo Senko span A down, Kijun Sen is down, Chikou span below candles. But if you look at the price action, it has been range. So there's no trend on this moment. And it looks like the market also broke the descending trend line. So I think the market continues range, and this market may not be able to trade. Okay, next one is CAD-JPY. This market is also range. Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, Tenkan Sen flat, Chikou span touching. So no trend, no trace. And next is CAD-Swiss franc. This pair is about to break the support too, 0.64. So once it breaks that support level, since this is now becoming all-time low, the next target is going to be the next round number. So it's going to be 0.63. So let me mark that level here. Let me mark that level. 0.63 can be the next target. So anyway, when it breaks 0.63, then 62, 61, 60. So yeah, so in that case, right, the Swiss franc can also be one of the best pairs to trade. Okay, so next one is the Swiss franc JPY. This market is also pretty much range. It has been bullish last week, but overall price action is now range. Kumo Senko span is up, Kijun Sen is up, Chikou span above candles, so technically it's bullish, but it has been very choppy, as you can see from the price action, so you may not be able to trade unless it breaks the resistance level of 170.4. So again, in terms of the Forex pairs, I think there are lots of potential breakouts this week on Swiss franc pairs. So we will see. And we may still be able to capture some nice pips this week. Okay, so next, let me move on to gold and WTI. So first, XAU USD gold. And let me just cancel these time cycles. In terms of gold, it's bullish right now. And as expected, I was saying that the market may be down and it may be supported by the Kumo and up. But looks like for the last 2 weeks, it was supported by the Kijun Sen instead, and then now it's bullish. So yeah, this market is, I think it's bullish now. So I continue to look for buying opportunities. I'm not gonna sell in this case because price above the Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, and Kumo is bullish, Chikou span above candles. So what I expect is a bullish trend. So let's see if it goes bullish this week. And next is WTI. WTI still within the Kumo, and so this is now tricky market. There is no trend right now. Chikou span is also touching. Kumo is completely flat, so no trend, no trace. There was actually a pin bar reverse this week, so the market may retrace up to Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen. So in the short term, it's bullish to me. Okay, so that's WTI. So now let's move on to indices. So index Nikkei 225 has been range. It actually touched the resistance level last week, so I thought it's gonna break this time, but looks like it didn't happen. So still it's range, continuously choppy range. Okay, and next is Dow Jones. Dow Jones is bullish now continuously. For the last 5-6 weeks, it has been bullish. But now it's continuously overbought because Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen are together here. And last week was doji. So if the doji breaks bearish, if the market breaks 37,000, then I think it continues bearish. So no trade. However, if the market breaks the doji bullish, which is 37,646, then I think it goes bullish this week. So now we have doji, so that means it may reverse. Buyers are not following last week, so we have to watch out in this kind of condition. Okay, and next one is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is bullish, however, Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen together also, so it's overbought. But Nasdaq looks better than Dow Jones because there is no doji on this one. So I think the market continues bullish this week on Nasdaq. And S&P 500 is also bullish. Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen together too, and it's overbought, but it's bullish now. So it may retrace anytime. Well, actually, these US indices, Dow Jones, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen together, Nasdaq also together, and S&P 500 also together. So they may retrace anytime, but at the same time it's overbought. So that means the bullish trend continues and it goes really fast. So I think if you are holding one of these markets to buy, then you can keep holding until the next run numbers. But then since this is towards the year end, it may be better to just close next Wednesday, Thursday, because the market may retrace, right, next year. So that's my idea. And next is Euro stocks. Euro stocks is now retracing. 2 weeks ago was bullish, pin bar, and last week was bearish pin bar too. So the market momentum has changed. So last week the market was supported by the previous resistance 44.88. So if it breaks the previous resistance, then it goes down to Kijun Sen. So sell is going to be the right call for in the short term. But if it breaks bullish, then it continues bullish this week or next week. So we will see which way it goes. For now, we can't really tell which way it's going. So we better monitor chart until it breaks either direction. Okay, next is UK 100, FTSE 100. This market has been continuously choppy, so I don't recommend to trade on this one unless it breaks the resistance of 7745. Then I think the market goes bullish to 7941. So I will just keep my arrow up like this way so that you remember what I say. And also it may break the resistance this week or in the month of January next year, because this is ascending P wave. It's ascending P wave, so the market may be choppy, and it may retrace. However, the market may be supported by this ascending trend line and then goes bullish this way. So I can see buyers dominant over sellers from this price action, so it may break anytime. And next is CAC France. CAC France has been bullish, and last week ended with the doji, and there is a strong resistance zone here. So 2 weeks ago it broke, but last week with the doji. So now the strategy is going to be whether if the market breaks this new inside bar or not. So we better wait for the inside bar breakout bullish if you want to buy. If it breaks the inside bar bearish, then it can go down to Kumo or Kijun Sen on the weekly chart. So let's see which way it breaks on this one too. And next is German 40. Germany 40 is now still bullish. However, last week was doji, and 2 weeks ago was a pin bar, so it may retrace to 16,528. So let me just take out these lines. So my projection is now the market touches 16,528, then goes bullish. Okay, so that's Germany 40. And next is Nifty chart. Nifty has been continuously bullish. 2 weeks ago was bullish, it broke the all-time high. Last week closed with a doji, but this is bullish, I think, because if you look at the wick of this weekly chart, the wick on the downside is longer than the wick on the upside. So that means there are buyers dominant over sellers last week. So I think the market goes bullish continuously this week and also in the month of January. And since this is an all-time high now, as I have been saying, when it's all-time high, the next target is going to be the next run number. So the market can reach 22,200. So let me put that level over there so that you remember my analysis. Okay, so to me it's bullish. The Kumo is thick still. So that means in Kumo thick and also Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen are not together. They are close, but they're not together, so this is not overbought, unlike the other US indices. So for me, Nifty 50 is continuously bullish. Okay, next is Australia 200. This market is near the resistance now, and it was resisted by 75.45. So let's see if the market breaks the resistance and continues bullish or not. Then finally, Hang-Sen Index. Hang-Sen has been bearish. The market has been below the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen. Kumo is also bearish. Chikou span below candles. So this is now downtrend. Let me also draw a descending trend line like this way, since it's continuously bearish. Okay, so that's Hang-Sen Index. So now finally, let me share my analysis on Bitcoin, BTC USD. Personally, I never trade cryptos, I never trade Bitcoin, so this is for your information. But in terms of Ichimoku, it's bullish still. It's bullish. The Senko span A is bullish, and the Kumo is getting bigger and thicker. And Tenkan-sen is now bullish too, and Chikou span above the candles. And last week was bullish. I mean, this week so far is bullish. So the market can break the resistance level anytime. And also, it has been within the inside bar. So when it breaks the level 44,743, then I think it goes up to 48,273, which is the next resistance level from the week of 28th of March in 2022. So now, let's see if the market breaks the inside or not. Okay, so that's my analysis on these markets on my watch list. So now let me cover news. So here's the news website. So let me scroll up and also just close its pop-ups, and let me click on this week and click apply. Okay, so then let's see. Okay, so Monday, we have lots of holidays. So basically we have no big news. The only big news we have is in Japan, BOJ Governor Ueda's speech will be there, but I don't think this is going to be a surprise. So Monday, tomorrow will be Christmas Day, so it's technically a holiday. And 26th, Tuesday, we have Boxing Day in UK and Canada, so looks like there's not much movement in UK session, but New York is open, so the market maybe started very volatile in US session. And then Wednesday the 27th, we have no big news, but we have some minor news. Thursday 28th, no big news, and Friday 29th, no big news. So we have no big news this week, but again, the markets are open, and as long as the brokers open, the market's open, market's moving. So and as I mentioned before, the market has been quite choppy these days, but towards the year end, they may trend still. So if you want to trade still, you can do that. I will continue to monitor this week, and because we have lots of potential breakouts on the Forex pairs, and I don't mind taking trades whenever these major breakouts happens. So that's my analysis on these pairs and markets on my watch list. So now let me come back to some comments for the next 10 minutes or so until the end of the live today. But again, thank you very much for joining today. I wish you have a great holiday and great weekend, everyone. So yeah, let me check some comments. Okay, thank you very much for joining. I see lots of comments. So yeah, I have covered almost all the markets you mentioned. So Yeah, good to see you, good to see you. Marbozo says, is there enough volatility to even trade this week? Yeah, I think so, I think so. I remember like for the last couple of years, I took some trades in Christmas and also, towards the year end, and I was able to capture some nice pips. So yeah, I will continue to monitor the charts this week, just in case. But if you want to have holiday, of course, you can, leave chart. That's fine too. And come back next year in January. Okay, yes, the market will be open tomorrow, yes. Karanja, thanks for joining. From Kenya, good to see you. He says, from your experience, does trading in December, January present more risk because of many holidays? Not really, not really. Yeah, especially I think towards the year end, I mean this week, right? This week, the market may be quiet. And also, I remember the first week of January will be quiet. So I think the market becomes active second week or third week of January. But there's no risk. I think risk will be less because it's going to be less volatility among the markets. Okay. All right, Key, thanks for joining. To see you. And Y says, do you trade when weekly time frame is range but daily time frame trending? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Because I mainly follow daily and 4-hour trends. Okay. Okay, Christian says, can you share your trading view to follow? Yes, this is my account. I used to post, some of the analysis, but I haven't. But yeah, let me open my trading view account. Let me see how to open it. Profile. Yeah, so this is my account in TradingView. It's Forex K-official is my TradingView account. So feel free to, follow. Yeah, I will be posting some more analysis maybe next year. So yeah, please continue to follow. But mainly, I share my analysis and trades in Discord group, in KTS Academy and also GTS classes. Okay, Mike says, K-san, could you please look DXY dollar index things? Yep, of course. Let me check the dollar index. Okay, DXY. Okay, weekly shows it's bearish, right? It's bearish. I think the price goes down to 99.59. I will put down arrow like this way. So it's bearish. It broke this outside bar last week. It broke the Kumo, Chikou span following the candlesticks. So to me, it's bearish. Kumo is not twisted bearish yet. But in terms of the price, this is now bearish. Yeah, so DXY is bearish. So yeah, we will see among the US indices and also the USD pairs in Forex. Okay, so let me see. Let me check some other comments. Thank you very much for joining, everyone. Good to see you again. Okay, let me see. John says, we are currently waiting for the special live stream for reaching 70K subscribers. Yes, I will be doing that next year. I couldn't find time to do that this year, but yeah, in January, I will find time to do that. So yeah, please continue to wait for the celebration. Yes. Have you ever tried trading indices? No, I haven't. Okay. Ko says, wish members here having good trading result in 2024, good and high above Kumo. Oh, thanks for the encouragement. Yes. I wish the same to everyone too, and to you too, Ko. All right, Nadim, thanks for joining. Okay. AUD/USD I already covered, so please watch the archive. Okay, Nat says, can you do VN index weekly? Okay, let me see. VN index. Do I have that one here? Looks like none. Oh yeah, here. Vietnam 30, you mean? If you mean by that, then here is Vietnam 30, weekly chart, and this is completely range. There is no trend. Now the price is on touching Kumo. Kijun Sen is flat. Kumo is twisted by its baby newborn Kumo. So it's range. Chikou span is also very close to candles. So it's range. There's no trend on this market. So we have to wait a couple weeks until the market trends either direction. For now, my recommendation is to stay away. Okay, so I think I covered almost all the markets and comments now, so I think I'll finish my live stream. But thank you very much everyone for joining the live stream today, and also thank you so much for your comments and participations. I wish you have a great Christmas, great holidays, great New Year, and this week I may be able to do live streams, but whenever I do, I will announce it beforehand, so please subscribe and click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I do live streams. So again, thank you very much for joining, and I wish you have a great day, great week, and until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Alright, bye for now everyone. Mata ne. Thank you very much.